Welcome back to Dash for Adventure. We're in Hot Springs, Arkansas, downtown for a night stroll on the Strip. Let's take a walk through here. Check out Santa. Merry Christmas. Diablo's is a nice restaurant. The food's really good. We tried to get a bath schedule for tomorrow, or for today, and didn't, so we're trying for tomorrow. At this bathhouse, you can take couples baths with mineral water straight from the hot springs. There's the visitor center. There's the trail to go up into the mountain. So basically, the right-hand side of the street is the national park called Bath Row. There's like serious mob history here. Check out this gingerbread house. This is cool.
This is the hotel that provides the mineral water
In the bathtubs.
in the bathhouse.
Oh yeah.
Must stay.
Oh yeah. So be sure to check out the Arlington Hotel when you're here in Hot Springs.
Ho, ho, ho!
I bet Paula would love that.
Flip it inside out.
Oh wow.
Yeah, you pour it either way.
It looks like a big teddy bear. I could give that one to Teresa.
Yeah, I feel that one.
Chocolate candy.
Hey, Lynn. Should we get you a pair of those? That was the Hot Springs Hat Company.
Sorry, it was just a bathing suit.
Work sucks. I'm going on tour. Voodoo dolls. There's what I was smelling. Incense. You want that for the outdoor kitchen?
Yeah.
I think we need this hat. It's about rocks. Cool store. Who is this? Look at that. Hi. Granny's kitchen.
Weather outside is
Bubbaloo's. And this used to be Sella Mae's, our favorite store here, but it seems like it's changed.
We've been open 3 weeks, y'all.
Jamie needs that game day outfit. You can stay upstairs here. Lofts for rent.
National Park Duck Tours.
I always wanted to tour and see ducks. Oh, that's not what it is? Ooh, shiny. Ooh, woodsman. This gangster museum is absolutely magnificent. If you want to learn all the history of how the mob was responsible for creating hot springs, you need to go here. Dagoom. There it is. Some of y'all's cornbread ain't done in the middle. That was Podunk Annie's. Diablos. My only complaint with this place is they serve Pepsi instead of Coca-Cola, but the food is delicious. Wow. For the best parking and the cheapest rates, make sure you come to the Visitor Center. We appreciate you hanging with us today. We're going to call this one over. We'll be back to Hot Springs again tomorrow, so make sure you like and subscribe and watch the rest of our videos. We'll see you in the comments. Good night.